may we take just a moment to make a note of who the greatest scientist in the world is following on Gettr. So, when he looks at his timeline, if he does, this is what determines the information that he comes across. So, that is a small world. And this guy, well, obviously, I'm not going to go through all the followers because there will be so many. But 100%, none of them would have looked into the history of this man. I had not even heard of him about a year ago. First time I heard of this man, Robert Malone, was in 2021, maybe late 2020, but 2021 for sure. And then I looked into not only what he was saying, but, well, let's just say I looked at evidence that was critical of him as well, not just not just admiring him. I have a mild cough, so anyhow. So there's one person in common that we have, and that is Joe Rogan. I follow Joe, he follows Joe, and the rest, well, I do not spend much time here. You want to take a look at whom I follow? These four. There's, isn't that strange that he's not following, sorry, he's not following Peter McCullough? And I would think that would be such a natural choice for him because he's even appeared in one or more interviews with him. So he hasn't followed Peter McCullough. And this man is so far his superior in intellect, in integrity, in ability, in knowledge, in intelligence, in character, just no match at all. And then I have Chelsea Gabbard, Dr. Joseph Merkala, and of course, Joe. There's this irritation in my throat. Uh, maybe I should take my cough syrup. I took some cranberry juice, and that made me feel so good, even though it was right out of the refrigerator. I felt so good after drinking some cranberry juice. Yay! I have followers! Yes! Just kidding. So, that is my little experience. And I'll put this on YouTube as well. So, you could take a look if you wanted to. And that's enough. This is enough. Okay then. Bye bye.